Today, we're officially launching Genpire, the AI platform for making real products, literally. If you've ever made a physical product before, you probably know how hard it can get. Designers, tech packs, sourcing, sampling, factory handoffs, across tools and services that take time and resources. Most ideas die in that process. In the past year, we watched how AI changed software development, allowing anyone to launch websites and apps in an afternoon. So we are bringing the same vibe into physical goods creation by completely changing how consumer products get made. Genpire lets anyone plan, design, and prepare almost any product from manufacturing, end-to-end, in one workflow. You can start from scratch or by connecting your brand. Our agent instantly understands your style, your vision, and your product's DNA. Then describe what you want to make using text or references, from a single product to a full collection. Once your initial concept is created, you can plan, design, and refine it in the editor. When you're ready, you can generate the full technical specs and factory-ready assets in a click. When you're good to go, simply send your product to your manufacturer in one click for quote, review, or on-page commenting. No heavy PDFs, no long email threads, no messy spreadsheets. No factory, no problem. Genpire has a built-in vetted network of manufacturers across categories ready to sample and produce what you just created. Today, you can join designers and brands that already build with Genpire, from independent creators to design and sourcing teams at global retailers. We're changing how consumer goods are made for good.